Guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel.
It's on 40 in my right car. Business change.
If you're new here, I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So as you can tell already by the title of the video, this is a what's in my bag video. So this is the bag, and I'm just going to show you what I carry around each and every day. So without any further ado, let's go straight to item number one. Let's see. Item number one that I always carry in my bag, guys, in my bag. Item number one that I always carry in my bag, baby wipes. This is simply because me ni wa route 11, so I might be dusty at times. I'm going somewhere, my feet are dusty, my shoes are dusty. I need the wipes to wipe my feet. I need the wipes to wipe my hands in case I want to eat anything. This comes in handy. So this item number one, I never leave home without it, though most of the time I'm always wearing sneakers, so I end up not using it, but it's such a comfort knowing that I have it. This is number one. Item number two that I always carry in my bag is, of course, my kabambe, my phone. You cannot go anywhere without your phone these days. Item number three, tissues. As a woman, you know you need tissues in your bag just in case you go to a public toilet, there's no tissue. This comes in handy. You want to maybe wipe your hands after washing them, this comes in handy. So this tissue, I bought them for, actually they are 15 bob. Yeah, I bought them for 15 bob. I don't know how many they are normally inside, but I bought them for 15 bob. That is item number three. Yes. Item number four that I always carry around, red lipstick. I never leave home without this, though 100% of the time I never really use it, but again, it's such a comfort to know that in case I need it, it's in my bag. This is item number four. Item number five that I always carry in my bag is a hand lotion. Yeah, this was gifted to me by a friend recently. So it's written body lotion, but I use it as a hand lotion. This is what, whenever I wipe my hands, is what I use for my hands. Yeah, this is item number five. Item number six, this body spray. I never leave home without it, just in case I need to touch up. This is what I always use, but just like all the other items, most of the time I never use it, but it's such a comfort again to know that you have this item. Those item number, it's only ngapi? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Item number 7 is this capoch. It always carries coins or any other thing that I want to carry inside. It's just like a small pouch like this. It carries coins, sometimes it has my ID card. So this item number 7 that I always carry in my purse. And then another item that I always carry is this mirror. I've had this mirror since 2013. It was gifted to me by my former boss. We were being given Christmas presents, and then they gave me this mirror. I love it. This is what I always use. This is what I always carry in my bag. Another item that I always carry in my bag is my pen and my pencil. Pencil in case I need to rub. Pen, just I need to write something. I go somewhere, there's no pen, people need to sign in, write something. I'm always ready, always prepared. Yeah. The last item that I always carry in my bag is these sanitary pads. So let me give you a little backstory about these sanitary pads. These pads, I started using them in 2015 accidentally. Yeah? I needed sanitary pads. We were on the road, so we stopped by a petrol station. I bought this. They were just 50 bob, and I was like, I'm just going to do with them for the time being, and I ended up falling in love with them. I've never looked back. They are still 50 shillings. That was back in 2015. Yeah, They are still 50 bob. I love them. I'll never stop using them because they're just the best. They're available, I think, in large and medium. I love these ones. All time confidence, ultra thin, ultra night. I love these ones. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Love you. Bye bye.